If you woke up this morning with that dry tickle in your throat, that heavy pressure behind your eyes, or that dull ache that whispers, a cold is coming, stop right there. Don't rush to the pharmacy. Don't drown yourself in syrups or chemical pills, because the cure you're looking for might already be waiting quietly in your kitchen, inside your next cup of tea. This simple, forgotten ritual has been used by ancient healers for centuries to stop colds before they even begin. It doesn't just soothe your throat, it awakens your immune system, clears your sinuses, and helps you sleep like a child again. One single cup, made the right way, can change the way your body fights back. And tonight, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Because when nature speaks through something as simple as a warm, golden tea, your body listens and heals. When your body starts showing those early signs of a cold, a scratchy throat, mild fever, or sneezing, it's really telling you that your immune system is fighting an internal battle. The goal isn't to hide the symptoms, it's to help your body win faster. And that's where this ancient immune-boosting tea comes in. The first and most important ingredient is ginger. Fresh ginger, not powdered. Slice 4 or 5 thin pieces and drop them straight into your cup. Ginger has been called the healer's root for centuries, and now modern science explains why. It's packed with gingerol, a compound that reduces inflammation, suppresses cough, and blocks some viruses from spreading. It warms your body from the inside, helps you sweat out toxins, and clears the mucus from your chest and throat. Next, add a small pinch of turmeric, about a quarter teaspoon. Turmeric is nature's golden antibiotic. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral compound that helps your body fight infection and recover faster. But there's a secret many people don't know. Curcumin needs a little help to work at its best. That's why you must add a pinch of black pepper. Pepper contains piperine, which boosts the absorption of turmeric by up to 2,000%. Without it, most of turmeric's healing power passes through your body unused. This tiny addition turns your tea from helpful to truly medicinal. Now comes the refreshing touch. Half a lemon, freshly squeezed. Lemon does more than just add vitamin C. It breaks down mucus, balances your body's pH, and creates an environment that viruses can't thrive in. When mixed with the heat of ginger and turmeric, it supercharges your immune cells and helps clear congestion naturally. Once your tea cools a bit, just enough so it's warm, not boiling, add a teaspoon of raw honey. Honey isn't just a sweetener, it's nature's liquid medicine. It coats your throat, kills bacteria, and calms irritation. The enzymes in honey also help boost immunity and make your sleep deeper and more restorative. To finish, sprinkle in a small pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is the warmth that brings all these healing ingredients together. It improves circulation, stabilizes blood sugar, and contains cinnamaldehyde, a natural compound proven to fight respiratory infections. The aroma alone feels healing. As you stir and sip, you'll feel the warmth travel through your chest, unclog your nose, and relax your entire body. This isn't just tea, it's nature's defense mechanism in liquid form. One of our viewers, Richard from Oregon, shared that he used to catch colds every 2 weeks. His mornings began with a sore throat and ended with exhaustion. But after watching one of our videos, he started drinking this tea every evening before bed. By the end of winter, he realized something amazing. He hadn't been sick once. Not a single cold. He told us that for the first time in years, his mornings felt peaceful again. And that's the magic of consistency. It's not just the ingredients that heal. It's the nightly ritual of care, calm, and warmth that signals to your body you are safe, you can rest, and you can heal. Here's exactly what you need for this powerful cold-stopping tea. 1 cup of hot water, 4 thin slices of fresh ginger, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, half a lemon freshly squeezed, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and a small pinch of cinnamon. Let it steep for 10 minutes, stir well, and sip slowly before bed. As you drink it, breathe deeply and let the steam fill your lungs. It's a natural inhalation therapy in itself. When you wake up the next morning, you'll notice your throat feels clearer, your head lighter, and your body stronger. Now I want to hear from you. What do you add to your tea when you start feeling sick? Do you use cloves, garlic, or cardamom? Share your favorite home remedy in the comments below, because your wisdom could help someone else heal tonight. And if you try this recipe, let us know how you feel tomorrow morning. Your feedback keeps this beautiful community alive and growing. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Golden Rest Guide, where we share natural health secrets, bedtime remedies, and senior wellness tips designed to help you rest better, heal naturally, and live fully after 60. Tap the like button if you found this helpful, and share it with a friend or loved one who needs a little healing comfort tonight. Remember, true healing doesn't always come from a pharmacy. It often starts in your teacup with the simple power of nature and care.